It's summertime. That's about all we can say. Well, as you noticed, it is legal line here on this Thursday, and we are wearing masks because the government and CDC say if you can't be 6 feet apart, you do need to be compliant in wearing a mask. So that is what we are doing today. So our questions come from you at 1-888-208-6946 for the Bryant Law Center. If you have questions regarding personal injury, Mark Bryant, Teris Swanson directly to my left. And we do have a question from Mike who says, I had a car wreck, would like to talk to an attorney. Are you all actually accepting cases now, Mark?
Dave, we were open for business. When this thing first started, I was, nobody was driving, nobody was going anywhere, and yet now people are driving everywhere and having car wrecks, and we're taking calls every single day. We're meeting with clients. Oftentimes we'll meet them, Dave. We've got a nice yard down there. We've got picnic tables on it and other kind of tables, and we're meeting clients outside. We also rented additional office space from the county because we've run out of office space at the Bryant Law Center, and so we've rented next door and we meet clients over there. So yeah, we're doing that. And then, like if we need to say, need to talk to you, just pick up the phone and call the office, and we'll talk to you. We'll set up a time where we can meet with you, and yeah, we're taking cases right and left all over the place.
Our next question comes from Jerry, who says, how long do I have after an accident, I'm assuming a car accident, to make an injury claim?
Teris, you want to take it?
Sure. Well, if you are talking about a car accident in Kentucky, then you do have 2 years for most motor vehicle accidents. Now, don't let that 2 years, trick your mind into thinking that you have time, because it's really important right from the beginning to start gathering evidence, to reach out to the insurance company and all those things. And insurance company will throw a bunch of legal jargon at you and try to get you to sign things. So it's really important that you contact an attorney as soon as possible so that they can guide you and make sure that you're not giving up any of your rights when you don't realize it or anything like that. A lot of other personal injury cases are limited to 1 year if it's not related to a motor vehicle accident. So that's 1 year can pass just very, very quickly. So you need to contact an attorney as soon as possible.
Have a little bit over a minute left, and that brings us to a question from Shayna, who says, I was in a car accident, thought I could handle the case on my own, and now I think I'm in over my head. Is it too late to hire an attorney?
Probably not, as long as it's just been, the statute of limitations hadn't run. And, attorneys typically that know what they're doing anyway, they'll make you more money than you would make, even though they're getting paid a fee out of it. So the insurance companies really hope that you'll continue to represent yourself, but it's in your best interest to pick up the phone and call a lawyer who does automobile accident cases, and we've got a whole department that does nothing but that. We've got lawyers that have been doing this for more than 20 years, plus we've got people that work as paralegals for us that used to work for big insurance companies doing this very same thing. And yeah, we can help you a bunch, so pick up the phone and call us.
Dan, I see your question, but we don't have time to get to it right now. We'll get to it in segment 2, which is coming up in just a few minutes, so stay tuned as part 2 of Local 6 Legal Line is straight ahead right after the break on WPSD Local 6 Midday.